You too, y'all can see, man. We got that weak ass Silverado right here. Ain't weak, but like, shit, this the one we kind of pick up. We finna take this to the bottom, man. And we finna make this thing. I'm gonna make it white on white. The whole front ain't gonna be white. Paint the grill, that shit white. All that gonna be white. So we kind of pick it up. He put new suspension all around on this shit. Damn, this tired. Damn, this tired through, gang. I don't know. Might not get a new round though. But yeah, we finna do what we do and do what we do. This shit was more damage than I thought though. But holla.
Holla more dollar.
Holla more dollar. Let's put the parts in here. And we're gonna side. There's Big Jack Ultima right there. Holla more dollar. Holla more dollar. Holla more dollar. What side is it? But I got a weak ass tripod, fool. God, they are weak. Oh no. Stop that. This. Put that in there. All the corners in there. Yeah, I know. Let's see what this is though.
What about these small ones?
That's for this is good for that. But put this inside of some. This do that. That's for God. That's for God right there. Let's see what this is. We gotta go to that way. So y'all see that? That's what we taking in for the body, man. Guess how much this gonna cost me to fix? He gotta have to pull this thing. Oh, sorry. Cool. Damn, cool. They're gonna side it, huh? Folks that shovel the shit out there, huh? Let's go see inside and then, nah, they scraped all the rims. I'm not changing these rims, guy. That shit old. See how that whole drive after an alignment. Oh, Jimmy!
What's up, money?
Money finished, man.
Ah, you money finish. Qual money finish, man?
The RT bullshit, man.
Hey.
Look at it right there, man. This whole smack like mine cracking the eye, man. Damn, what's
Everything special, multi-way.
I know.
Everything.
This junk right here, this the junk that got shot up. It's new suspension everywhere.
Look, this one the fender.
Nice. You see, Jimmy, we fuck with you, guy. And this Gavins. Hey, Gavins, the Q50 and the Lexus, the piece.
Oh, the piece?
Yeah.
Okay.
Silverado. Yeah. You too. We might sell this thing tomorrow, man, but we don't know yet. The customer said they gonna pull up tomorrow, so we're gonna wait for the customer tomorrow. Damn, they need this rack and pinion for. I think they car probably right there. I don't know who car that is. And we got this thing over here. We just doing a little maintenance on it.
Too much money?
Come on, man.
Oh, God.
Come on.
Corner.
Come. Hell no.
Corner.
Clara. How y'all keep getting access to this shit? Cologne.
It pops up before you bust up, like it's like a.
The key?
I don't know, man.
You see? Yeah, all that plan. All that knock. Hey, what happened, man?
Damn, bro.
Hey, let's go, man. West side is not a letter. We finna leave Miguel and go to the other Miguel. This way? This way? Man, let's see. They hear their motor, man. Woo! Jimmy! Let's see. Let's see what this truck talking about, man. Man, why the key don't start? No start?
No, what good
Ignition?
The switcher.
Alright, damn, hey, start the bit, man.
Move.
Oh, okay, I get it.
Maybe the cleaner, the check it in, the check it out, to turn it off. If they open light, maybe I don't know. Go back I don't know the switcher. I don't know what happened.
You run and drive? No
Just
problem.
good, right?
AC work?
Yeah, maybe linear and this one.
Yeah, alignment. Cause we go right now.
Yeah.
This
That's good.
Serato
No, it's good, right?
V6, man. So y'all need a Serato, man. Y'all know who to holler at, man. Come on, holler. Holler. Holler more dollar. Let's go to the other Miguel. You follow me?
I follow.
Alright.
Hey, me, it's like the truck, this one.
You like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's classic, man.
Nah, yes, they pick it up, the white, right here, the everything.
This is Hey, he not lying, fool. Hey, what the fuck? Hey, yeah, say pick it up, you gotta do that. What the fuck? Hey, Chopper. Hey, Chopper. It's good to go up a little bit. Up. Turning. Damn. I don't know, man.
Huh?
I don't know.
Hey, where did you go?
I don't know, man.
Hey, do you want me to go first?
Yeah, go. That's that week at Ultima gotta go. Oh shit. Oh, you two doing brothers in there. Oh shit. I ain't no way. This not even meant for the snow, YouTube. I ain't for no fake. YouTube, this ain't meant for the snow, man. This shit not meant for the snow. It's real dry, so like, you just gotta spin out and hope you don't get stuck. Them cars behind me looking at me crazy. Oh, I feel bad when we got real driving deal. I ain't like this a classic, gang. Hold on, I get up with you when I'm done driving. You two, y'all can see, man, we stuck, man. Show 'em, man, we stuck, man. Go finna get this shit out, man.
Hey, we got another truck pulling in the front, so it should get it out. Hopefully. Cross our fingers. Damn, I got ice on my boots, man. Let's see this shit. Oh. Holla more dollar. Easy peasy. As I can see, it successfully worked. You must be in neutral. Dang, so easy, bro. Easy life.
Side.
Take off the chain. De caro es mi caro. Ah,
Donde quiera estoy sentando. Sí, es el producto.
we made it to the front now, so we should be able to put the truck inside, no problem.
No, ya no falla. Ya es muy raro lo que falla. Ahí tienen todo el día. Pero sí, tío, yo puedo hacer unas 2 semanitas más. Porque quiero tengo una habladita y me da el camino que la voy a llevar y ya. Vamos a ver aquí está eso. Sí.
That's brand new suspension all around, man. So y'all need this thing, man. Y'all know where to come to, man.
Sí, pero que me crean que se llama. Cool. Dale, pues, para aprender.
Or maybe it's not on right, I don't know.
Pero, you stay here.
Huh?
The floor, you stay here.
Yeah.
The floor, now move it. Car, now take one car. When I put in the car. You see, this car is ready. But the customer is not coming for picking
Which
up.
one?
Everything.
Right here?
No, this 2 line and 3 car. 3, 6, 8 car ready. The guys don't pick it up. This is carry for snow.
Scared for what? The snow is finished, man.
No?
No, right now no money, man. That's the problem, no money. I might have to mute this part, YouTube, but yeah, see this one, Infinity getting ready. This thing is ready. Woo! Yeah. Hold up. I see what's going on, man. Let's see. Baconator. Oh, the puppies. Oh, he got some puppies, man. I'm not gonna do nothing to your puppies. How you doing? Ooh, they got a lot of things in here. Hey, trap jumping like crazy, cracking the 80. Tax season is over with. Let's see what's going on. Yeah. Miguel. You too, y'all can see, man. Right now, man, this weather messing up everything, man. It's slowing down the motion, but you know the grind don't stop and the motion don't stop, but we just working through what we can work with, you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, I'm gonna get up with y'all probably tomorrow, man. Right now, I'm finna just go sell some phones and do what I gotta do and stuff like that and get the day over with, because I'm really done with the day, so I get up with y'all when I get up with y'all. Peace. You too. Damn, I should have switched the SD card. Man, I can see, man, it just still got some little snow. They say for snow some more. I ain't gonna lie. This shit fucking up my motion, man. Damn. But before I go to the shop, NT got a car delivered and some more cars supposed to be delivered today, so I'm finna get it up with y'all when I get to the shop. But man, this little snow keep messing up my motion. I don't know. The ones who live in the Midwest or Northwest snows a lot. I don't know how y'all do this, gang. 'Cause me, I can't do this. Like this stuff messing up my motion. Then this car right here, car with repo, this don't smell like smoke. I can't do this, man. So I'm finna get a whichever. I don't record probably because this SD car, I gotta change it out. I gotta go, man. I gotta get back. I go back home anyway. So when I get back home, I'm gonna change the SD card out so we can have more storage. So with that being said, shit, we just finna wait till this thing. This probably right there gotta go. So we're finna get what y'all want to get with Auntie E in a minute. Man, here we go with these dogs, gang. I ain't gonna fake it. I ain't getting out. You know what I'm saying? Miss Bernice. The driver said they 1 hour away.
1 hour.
So we just gonna wait for the driver.
Okay. Okay, okay, great. Okay.
West side, 911. YouTube, we in a parent. The sunroof work?
I did not test it. I don't want to test it right now.
We gotta test it later. So, we inside the back, but y'all see what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Them dogs scary as hell.
Hell yeah, I had to come in. They should know me in the car.
George said he on the way?
I did not even touch it.
YouTube, we just picked up that car from the shop and my money's finished. Man, look at these tie rods, man. This tie rod's going crazy, man. We gotta change these tie rods out. Then the window don't wanna let down. So we gotta go and get the part from that shop to take it to that shop. And then we gotta get a new trunk for the G37S. Man, this shit all bad, man. This shit all bad, man. Damn. So that's what we doing, man. That is exactly what we doing. Where Big John?
Yeah.
Bro, you lucky you saw this, hoe.
What happened, fool?
Gang, these suspension. Dude. But these John taking me to the right. Straight, and I'm trying to, I gotta turn right to turn left, gang.
Huh? What?
Yes, gang. You heard it right. I gotta turn right to turn left.
Hell nah. Thought I was tripping. Nigga, what?
Bro, in Cold Party, they did not have no suspension hit, gang.
Hell yeah. But it got suspension issues?
Yeah, bro. Traction light turned on.
I see you going to Miguel.
I had to turn on my blinkers.
I see you going to Miguel.
I gotta go. Then the window, then it got electric issues. The window won't let down. You sold me a lemon, gang.
I didn't know. I never cranked it.
Man, you sold me a lemon, gang.
Yeah, Miguel, I never cranked it. I just
You
looked
got
at
me a lemon, gang. You know what I'm saying? You got me a lemon, gang. You ever seen the gangster cry?
You know what's crazy?
What's up, nigga?
Ain't God working mysterious ways, my boy.
Man, you ever seen the gangster cry?
I gave you had 2 lemons.
That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, you was finna be fucked up, gang.
Ooh, boy. Then
Yeah, I'm gonna get it to when I get there.